The, the story behind the song that I'm about to sing is this, that when I was campaigning for presidency of Senior Council of Ilocos Norte High School in 1954, I was told that I was running behind in the polls. So I went to campaign again, but instead of going and giving a speech, I went to one class, which happened to be a class full of girls. And instead of giving a speech, I sang a song for them. And by special request of my classmates today, I'm going to sing the very same song that I sang for them 56 years ago. And the title of the song is 2Pakiusap. Which means, in English, it means please, please. Natutulog ka man, irokol matimtiman, kung hayaan man lamang, ang sa'yo'y nanawagan, dahan-dahan mutya. Buksan mo ang bintana, tunghayan mo't pahabagan, ang sa'yo'y magmamahal. Kung sakali matsalat, sayamat pangarap, may isang sumpang wagas sa aking paglingap. Pakiusap ko sa'yo, kawan mo ako kahit mamatay. Pag-ibig ko'y minsan lamang. Pakiusap ko sa'yo, kawan mo ako. Mo ako kahit mamatay. Pag-ibig ko'y minsan lamang. Iniibig kita pagkakailan
Mabuhay ang President for Class 1954-55. Alright!
Oh, that's 54-55.
It's like the voice of my 15 years old candidate. Alright! President.
Yeah.